Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the chrono function on your Casio Edifice watch. You need to press the first pusher in order to start the chronograph. As you can see, this big seconds hand is the actual seconds hand of the chronograph. You can press the first button, so the top pusher, in order to pause it. You can resume if you were to press it once again, then pause it again, and then if you press the second pusher, you are going to reset it. Now you are going to have two more sub dials. As you can see, this one is for minutes, meaning it is going to show you up to 60 minutes, and then here you are going to see the hours. So you can use the chrono function in order to time up to 12 hours. So you are going to be able to see 11 hours, 40 minutes, let's say, and 30 seconds. Now, in order to have 1 minute, we need to go past 1 minute. So I'm going to show you how that looks as well. So now we are going to go past 1 minute. And now we can see that we have this subdial that shows us that 1 minute has passed. If we are going to pause it, we are going to read it like this: 1 minute, and here we have 17 seconds. Now when I'm going to hit reset, this is going to realign to 12 o'clock as well as the small subdial. So we have seconds, minutes, and hours. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to use the chrono function on your Casio Edifice and also how to read it. If you enjoy this type of content, guys, watches, watch tutorials, vintage watches, watch unboxing videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.